Hey, good morning. I'm just going to give you a quick tutorial on installing the Echo Quick Release helmet helmet clips instead of having to put the whole thread this through here, then back through here, and taking it off that way every time that you get on and off your bike. We can use this, and it's just a quick disconnect that you just snap on and snap off. Here, I'll show you on this helmet that I already have one on. It's just, you just snap it, and then a lot easier to get your helmet off, especially when you're wearing gloves. So when you open the package, there will be 3 pieces. One that looks like this, one that looks like this, and one that looks like this. On this one, there's 2 sides. There's a really thin side, and there's a thicker side. We will be focusing on the thin side right now. So we take this piece here, side with the clips, with the 2 clips here, there's a piece of strap holding these 2 middle clips on. And what we will do is we'll just slide this through that. So you take this piece and you stick it in here and you work it around. Like that. And now you take the thin side, this side here, and push it in here until it clicks. You hear it click, then you know it's on there, right? And now the other side, put your buckle under this little guide and then back through like this. And this is where you will adjust the length that you need for your own chin. And that's all. It snaps in and snaps out. When you put on your helmet, always make sure you hear the audible click. And sometimes if you don't click it in exactly right, it can feel like it's in and it's not. So, and then it's really hard to get off. But there you go. Then you can adjust it to, you hear the click, and then you can pull the strap tight. So then removing it, easy as that. And thanks for watching. Y'all have a wonderful evening. Take care. Bye-bye.